Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's find the partial fraction decomposition for this expression right here. So first of all, this expression, we look at the denominator first and see whether we can factor this anymore, right? But this one can be factorable again. So let's factor this again, and this is going to be minus x square plus 2x minus 5. In the bottom we are going to have x plus 1, and if we factor this one, this is going to be x plus 3, so we can write it as x plus 3 square. So we have factored this one, and in the other side I'm going to take the fractions. So first fraction is going to be x plus 1, and the other one I can take x plus 3 and then x plus 3 square. So what happens if it's x plus 3 20? We are going to go all the way x plus 3 1 2 3 4 until 20, right? That's how we take the fractions. And in the top we are going to take three constants. So let's pick up a b c, and the next thing we try to do is we try to eliminate the denominators. So we can eliminate the denominator if we multiply by this value right here, both sides, right? So in this side I'm going to multiply this one by x plus 1 times x plus 3 square, and in the other side I'm going to multiply by the same thing, x plus 1 times x plus 3 square. So if I multiply this side, this will get cancelled, and this will cancel, we only left with this one. So let's write the cancelled parts. So the new one is going to be minus x squared plus 2x minus 5, and in this side this is going to be cancelled, and we will be left with this one right here. So this is going to be a times x plus 3 square and plus b times one of the x plus 3 will be cancelled, and we will be left with x plus 1 times x plus 3, and the third one is going to be c times x plus 3 square will be cancelled, and we will have x plus 1 right here. The next thing we try to equate the coefficients. To do that, first of all I had to simplify this one a little bit more. So let's simplify this one. This is going to be x squared plus 2x minus 5, and if I expand this bracket, this is going to be, so x plus 3 square, this is going to be x squared plus 6x plus 9, and the other, this is going to be, if I multiply these two together, this comes as x squared plus 4x plus 3, and this is going to be plus c times x plus 1. So let's multiply everything. So this is going to be ax squared plus 6 times ax, so let's say a times 6x plus 9a, and we are going to have bx squared plus b times 4x, then we are going to have 3b plus 3b, then we are going to have cx plus c. So now what we try to do, we separate this one into x square, 2x, and x square and x and other thing, because we are going to equate the coefficients, right? So let's separate this one into x square, x, and the constant. So let's bring all the x square together. So if I take the x square common, a have x square, so I pick up the a right here. So let's underline. A has x square and b has x square. So let's use a different color for the x. So we have x right here and here, and also we have x right here. So we are going to take these 3 commons and these 2 common, and whatever the left we are going to equate it to minus 5. So let's do this. So this is going to be, if I take x square common, we are going to have x square is equal to a plus b, no, x square times a plus b. Then we are going to have, if I take the x common, this is going to be 6a, and then what will be, so we have 6a, and we also have 4b, and also we have plus c. Then whatever the value left, that's going to be equal to minus 5. Those are 9a, so 9a and 3b plus c. So we have x square, x, and these values. So x square, in front of this x square we have minus 1. So that's what I'm going to equate. So minus 1 is going to be equal to this a plus b right here. A plus b. And then we have to look what we have in front of x. We have 2 right here. And this is 6a plus 4b plus c. So 2 is equal to 6a plus 4b plus c. And the third one we have minus 5, and that's going to be equal to this whole thing. So minus 5 is equal to 9a plus 3b plus c. So we have 3 set of equations. Our purpose is to find the a, b, c. But if you look at each equation have 2 or more unknown variables, so we have to do something about this. So in this case, what I can do, I can multiply this one by negative and add it together, because if I multiply this one by negative, what's going to happen is this c will turn into negative. If I add them together, the c will be eliminated, right? So that's what I'm going to do. So let's do this. So I'm multiplying this whole thing by negative on both sides. So negative 1 this side, negative 1 this side, the whole thing. So if I do that, I will end up with here minus 2 is equal to minus 6a minus 4b minus c, and in the bottom we have minus 5 equal to 9a plus 3b plus c. If we add them together, we get minus 7 is equal to, this is equal to 3a, and we have 3a minus b, and c will be eliminated because 1c eliminated, and still we have 2 unknown variables. And if you look at this, we have a negative b right here, and in the first equation we have a positive b. So let's say this is equation 1, equation maybe 2. So if we add them together, the b will be eliminated. So let's add them together, 1 plus 2. So this is going to be minus 1 is equal to a plus b, and in the bottom we have minus 7 is equal to 3a plus minus b. So if I add them together, this is going to be minus 8 equal to 4a, and therefore a is going to be equal to minus 2. So now we have a. All I have to do is simply plug this in this equation and find the other values. So if we plug this one into first equation, this is going to be b minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore b is equal to 1. So we have b value, we have a value, we have to find the c value. So let's plug in the third equation right here. So let's bring it to the top. So minus 5 is equal to 9a plus 3b plus c. So minus 5 is equal to 9a, a is equal to minus 2, so it's going to be minus 18 plus 3b, b is equal to 1, so this is going to be 3 plus c. So if I add them together, this is going to be minus 15, and if I bring it to the other side, it's going to be plus 15 minus 5, c is going to be equal to 10. Now we have all the values right here. So now all we have to do is simply substitute in this original equation. So let's do that part. I write that one into maybe red color. Okay, so let's write it in red color. So we have a right here. So this is going to be minus 2 over x plus 1 plus b is 1. So 1 over x plus 3 plus c is 10, right? 10 over x plus 3 square. And this is the partial fraction decomposition of this original expression right here. So this is the final answer. I hope you guys liked this video. See you next time.